Can you hear it? The forest is taking a long deep sigh underneath the emerald and wide open spring sky. Secret paths are waking up, hidden mossy trails. In this magical woods, the wonder never fails. The ferns are uncurling, reaching for the light, shaking off the dew from the cold and starry night. Every leaf is a story, every branch is a song. This is the place where my quiet heart belongs. It's the whisper of spring, soft and very low, telling us exactly where the mountain lilies grow. Follow the sweet scent of the fresh morning dew. Everything is ancient, yet everything is new. Listen to the wind, it's calling out your name. The world will never ever be the same. Step lightly on the earth, don't wake the sleeping flowers. Time is measured here in soft and gentle hours. The sunlight is dappled, dancing on the forest floor. I feel like I've opened a secret golden door. There's a language in the rustle of the budding trees, a message carried over by the southern breeze. You don't need to speak, just listen with your soul. In the middle of the green, I'm finally feeling whole. It's the whisper of spring, soft and very low, telling us exactly where the mountain lilies grow. Follow the sweet scent of the fresh morning dew. Everything is ancient, yet everything is new. Listen to the wind, it's calling out your name. The world will never ever be the same. It's the whisper of spring, soft and very low, telling us exactly where the mountain lilies grow. Follow the sweet scent of the fresh morning dew. Everything is ancient, yet everything is new. Listen to the wind, it's calling out your name. The world will never ever be the same. The forest knows, can you hear it? Spring is here. Can you hear it? Yeah. Tiny pink petals landing on the window glass. I'm watching the blurry world quietly drift past. The city sounds are muffled like they're far away. In this pastel bubble I just wanna stay. It feels like we're caught inside a beautiful dream, floating downstream on a soft neon pink stream. The steering wheel feels light beneath my fingertips. A silent wow is escaping from my smiling lips. Oh, it's a cherry blossom rain, washing away every drop of my hidden pain. Falling so slow with a velvet kind of glow. as the day turns dim, lighting up the blossoms on every single limb. They look like glowing clouds hovering above the lane, protecting me from the sorrow in the winter rain. I'm driving through a tunnel made of silken light. Everything is perfect, everything is bright. I wish this road was stretched for 1,000 miles or more, to a secret place I've never seen before. Oh, it's the cherry blossom rain, washing away every drop of my hidden pain, falling so slow with a velvet kind of glow. This is the only world I ever want to know. Let it fall, let it drift, let it cover my soul. In this flower storm, I'm finally feeling whole. Time is standing still, the world is turning white, or is it pink? I can't tell in this magic light. Don't wake me up, don't let the morning come too fast. I want this floral moment to forever last. Oh, it's the cherry blossom rain, washing away every drop of my hidden pain, falling so slow with a velvet kind of glow. This is the only world I ever want to know. Let it fall, let it drift, let it cover my soul. In this flower storm, I'm finally feeling whole. It's raining, pink rain, so beautiful, so quiet. The sky is blushing, painting the clouds in deep and wide. There's nowhere left to run and nowhere left to hide from the pure beauty of this fading golden pink light. Just a few moments before the stars come out to ignite. I'm leaning my seat back, watching the colors start to blend, wishing this quiet Sunday evening would never have to end. The silhouette of cherry trees against the velvet glow, a silent movie playing everywhere that I may go. Meet me at the pink horizon line, everything's gonna be just fine, I promise. It's fine. Taste the sugar in the misty pastel sky. Watch the cherry blossoms as they learn how to fly higher and higher until they disappear, leaving nothing but a peaceful silence here. The shadows are stretching, reaching across the dusty road. I'm letting go of every heavy and tiring load. The headlights are flickers, cat eyes in the coming dark, lighting up the petals like a tiny glowing spark. It's the magic hour when the world starts to dream. Everything is softer than it ever used to seem. I'm just a traveler in a land of cotton candy clouds, far away from all the city noise and the busy crowds. Meet me at the pink horizon line, everything's gonna be just fine, I promise. It's fine. Taste the sugar in the misty pastel sky. Watch the cherry blossoms as they learn how to fly higher and higher Catching petals in the air with a million tiny blossoms tangled in your messy hair. I've never felt this light, never felt this much alive since the very first day that I learned how to drive. It's just the breeze, the open road, and you underneath the canopy of perfect powder blue. Speeding through the flower lane, chasing the sun. The real adventure has only just begun. Forget the shadows, forget the winter rain. We're the kings and queens of this cherry blossom lane. The engine is a heartbeat, steady and so strong. We're singing at the top of our lungs to every song. The world is a blur of pink and emerald green, the most beautiful movie that I've ever seen. Check the rearview mirror, see the petals start to swirl. We're leaving all the chaos of the ordinary world. Just lean your head back, let the wind kiss your face. We're moving at a magical and steady kind of taste. The breeze, the open road, and you underneath the canopy of perfect powder blue. Speeding through the flower lane, chasing the sun. The real adventure has only just begun. Forget the shadows, forget the winter rain. We're the kings and queens of this cherry blossom lane. It's just the breeze, the open road, and you underneath the canopy of perfect powder blue. Speeding through the flower lane, chasing the sun. The real adventure has only just begun. Forget the shadows, forget the winter rain. We're the kings and queens of this cherry blossom lane. Just the breeze and you. Yeah, it's you. White porcelain sitting on a darkened wooden bow. Peace is the only thing that I'm feeling right now. Pure and silent, standing tall against the gray, waiting for the wind to carry the winter away. The magnolia is blooming heavy with a floral scent. This is what a moment of true grace was always meant. I'm walking slowly, let the ivory petals fall, answering the spring's very first and quiet call. Walking down the long way, dusty pieces whole. In the silence of the white, I find my way into the light of a brand new day. The air is cool and crisp, but the sun is getting warm. There's a quiet beauty in the middle of the storm. Each flower is a candle lighting up the garden floor. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. The world is waking up, stretching out its sleepy arms, protected from the noise and all the city's alarms. I'll stay here for a while, let the petals cover me, until I'm as calm and as steady as a tree. Walking down the long Magnolia Path, finally free from the winter's cold and bitter wrath. Velvet petals underfoot, an ivory kind of soul, making all my broken and dusty pieces whole. In the silence of the white, I find my way into the light of a brand new day. Walking down the long Magnolia Path, finally free from the winter's cold and bitter wrath. Velvet petals underfoot, an ivory kind of soul, making all my broken and dusty pieces whole. In the silence of the white, I find my way into the light of a brand new day. Ivory path, so quiet, so wide. Checkered blanket spread out on the fresh green grass, watching all the happy, smiling people slowly pass. Handmade sandwiches and a cold glass of lemonade, sitting in the cool and flickering cherry tree shade. I've got my favorite book, but I haven't turned a page. Feels like I've stepped out of a cold and winter cage. The sun is kissing my skin, a warm and golden touch. I didn't know I needed this simple day so much. It's a perfect Sunday, flowers in full bloom. No more shadows left, no more winter gloom. Just a picnic under the wide and leaning cherry tree. Come and spend this lazy afternoon with me. The world is singing a bright and happy tune. Like a tiny gift from the branches of the tree. We don't need a map, we don't need a plan, just soaking up the sunlight as much as we can. Clouds are like sheep drifting in a sea of blue. Every single moment feels brand and shiny new. Let's take a long deep breath and just let it out. This is what a beautiful life is all about. It's a perfect Sunday, flowers in full bloom. No more shadows left, no more winter gloom. Just a picnic under the wide and leaning cherry tree. Come and spend this lazy afternoon with me. The world is singing a bright and happy tune. It's a perfect Sunday, flowers in full bloom. No more shadows left, no more winter gloom. Just a picnic under the wide and leaning cherry tree. Come and spend this lazy afternoon with me. The world is singing a bright and happy tune. April moon. A perfect Sunday, just you and me. Under the cherry tree. Golden sun reflecting on the dashboard light, saying a long goodbye to the cold and lonely night. Turning the key, feeling the engine start to hum, waiting for the beautiful days that are yet to come. Roll down the window, let the morning breeze rush in. This is where the magic of the season begins. Pink confetti scattering all across the street. A natural carpet laid out right beneath my feet. Dancing with the wind, it's a petal waltz. Forgetting all my worries and my heavy faults. Just the open road and the rows of blooming trees. Sailing away on a soft and coral breeze. Oh, the world is turning pink today, and all my shadows are fading away. I see the children laughing in the park nearby, chasing the blossoms as they dance against the sky. The scent of spring is heavy in the waking air. I find a piece of heaven hiding everywhere. No need to hurry, no need to chase the time. Everything is rhythmic, everything's in rhyme. The radio is playing a song I used to know, matching the pace as I'm driving nice and slow. Dancing with the wind, it's a petal waltz. Forgetting all my worries and my heavy faults. Just the open road and the rows of blooming trees. Sailing away on a soft and coral breeze. Oh, the world is turning pink today, and all my shadows are fading away. in the floral neon. This is the magic carpet that we both should be on. The concrete jungle is turning into a flowery park, glowing so softly and brightly in the urban dark. The buildings are tall, but the trees are taller. Tonight everything is shining in the pink and purple light. I'm pushing the pedal, feeling the rhythm of the street. The city and the blossoms are making life so sweet. Neon signs are reflected in the petals on the ground. There's a beautiful music in every single sound. The traffic is a river of light and flower rain, washing away the stress and the everyday strain. People are stopping, looking up at the blooming sky, with a little bit of wonder in every passerby. We're caught in a moment that's larger than our lives. This is the feeling for which every heart strives. We're in full bloom tonight. It's finally the night. Everything is shining, everything is neon bright. Pedal to the metal, petals flying in the air. We can go together, we can go just anywhere. Full bloom energy, electric and so wild, feeling like a happy and a carefree child. We're in full bloom tonight. It's finally the night. Everything is shining, everything is neon bright. Pedal to the metal, petals flying in the air. We can go together, we can go just anywhere. Full bloom energy, electric and so wild, feeling like a happy and a carefree child. Full bloom, city lights. Spring is alive tonight. Silver drops are clinging to the edge of every rose leaf. True joy is finally coming after the long winter grief. The sky is a pale gray, but the world is getting bright, washing off the dust from the dark and rainy night. The silhouette earth is so sweet and so strong. This is the place where I know that I belong. The wipers are slow, moving in a steady beat, leaving crystal reflections all across the empty street. After the rain, the colors start to wake. For every single step that we are going to take, a rainbow bridge is forming right across the street, where the blue sky and the blossoms finally meet. The air is clear, my heart is light and free. Everything is clearer than it used to be. Look at the puddles, they're like mirrors on the ground, reflecting a world where a new hope can be found. The birds are coming out singing a brand new song, telling us the storm was never gonna last too long. The clouds are breaking up, letting the sunlight through, painting the whole world in a brilliant, shiny hue. I'm opening the sunroof, let the fresh air in. This is where a better day is going to begin. After the rain, Everything is clearer than it used to be. Everything's clear after the rain, starting over again. Driving so slow through the winding old town road, carrying a heavy and a very nostalgic load. Remember when we were young, so wild and so free, sitting right here under the same cherry tree. The years have gone by, but the scent is just the same. I still remember how you used to call my name, innocent like a child in the middle of a dream. Nothing is ever simple as it used to seem. Slow lane memories drifting quietly by, like the white clouds in the wide open April sky. Some things have changed, but the flowers always stay, guiding us gently back to a better yesterday. Hold on to the feeling, don't let the memory fade. In the golden light and the cherry blossom shade, the old cafe on the corner is still standing there with the same floral curtains and the same wooden chair. I can almost see us laughing in the afternoon sun, thinking that the journey had only just begun. The petals are falling like pages from a book. If you take a long and a very careful look, you can see our shadows dancing on the dusty ground, in the only place where true peace can be found. Slow lane memories drifting quietly by, like the white clouds in the wide open April sky. Some things have changed, but the flowers always stay, guiding us gently back to a better yesterday. Hold on to the feeling, don't let the memory fade. In the golden light and the cherry blossom shade. Slow lane memories drifting quietly by, like the white clouds in the wide open April sky. Some things have changed, but the flowers always stay, guiding us gently back to a better yesterday. Hold on to the feeling, don't let the pink turns to green, life is fine in its own way. In the middle of a warm and a very sunny May, the blossoms are falling but the leaves are coming strong. This is where the summer is going to belong. Shadow play is dancing on the winding forest track. I'm looking forward, never ever looking back. The tunnel is green, a canopy of emerald light, protecting me from the sun that's burning so bright. It's burning so bright. The air is getting warmer, the days are getting long. The pulse of the forest is steady and so strong. I can see the life in every single budding branch, a green revolution, a beautiful avalanche. The windows are down, I can hear the cicadas sing, moving on from the gentle and the floral spring. It's a fresh new chapter, a brand new kind of vibe, a feeling that I don't think I can ever describe. Driving through the deep and the green, green tunnel, pouring all my joy through a bright and golden funnel. Deep in the heart of the cool and the leafy shade, this is how the magic of the summer is made. Speeding through the green, feeling so alive. Everything is perfect on this midday drive. Driving through the deep and the green, green tunnel, pouring all my joy through a bright and golden funnel. Deep in the heart of the cool and the leafy shade, this is how the magic of the summer is made. Speeding through the green, feeling so alive. Everything is perfect on this midday drive. Into the green, the sun is high, summer's coming. The very last petal falls on the empty passenger seat. Our long and flowery journey is almost complete. The sun is setting on the very last day of the bloom, filling up my heart with a sweet and gentle room. Don't be sad, my friend, and please don't you cry. It's just a temporary and a seasonal goodbye. The world is turning and the seasons have to move, but we found a rhythm, we found a beautiful groove. It's spring's farewell, a sweet and sad adieu, until the whole wide world is born and made anew. We'll meet again in the middle of the flower rain, when the until the broken world is finally made whole. The trees are bare now, but they're dreaming of the next. The story of the flowers is a never-ending text. I'm parking the car, looking back at the road we've traced. Not a single moment of this beauty was ever wasted. The stars are coming out, silver pins in the dark, leaving a tiny and a very hopeful spark. I'll remember the pink, I'll remember the light, as I walk alone into the cool and coming night. It's spring's farewell, a sweet and sad adieu, until the whole wide world is born and made anew. We'll meet again in the middle of the flower rain, when the magic cycle starts all over again. Keep the spring inside you, keep the blossoms in your soul, until the broken world is finally made whole. It's spring's farewell, a sweet and sad adieu, until the whole wide world is born and made anew. We'll meet again in the middle of the flower rain, when the magic cycle starts all over again. Keep the spring inside you, keep the blossoms in your soul, until the broken world is finally made whole. Spring's farewell. See you next year.